to our esteemed colleagues and friends from Swarm who are running the After Town Hall. And I think we have Peter with us who will tell us what are the exciting topics that we can look forward to chat today about. So Peter, welcome and over to you.
Thanks, Danny. Let me get the screen share going and then we'll launch right into this After Town Hall. Welcome to the After Town Hall. Can you see my screen? Check. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Right. Awesome. Welcome to the After Town Hall. This is the only town hall happening in the Cardano or Catalyst communities. There's plenty happening around the world. You can join them by following the links here on this URL, which is live and gets updated usually on Tuesday, sometimes Wednesday mornings. Before, you can check this to see if your room is there, and if you don't see it, you can ping one of us and we'll confirm and check that it's there. But getting back to the town halls around the world, you can in the slide deck there's links to their contact infos and where you can register to go to these events. Find your community that's nearby you in IRL. We spend a lot of time in the virtual space. This community is very virtual, but it's awesome to meet people in real life. I encourage you to do so. So there are also more community events happening regularly in the virtual space, sometimes in real life, and you can join Gimbal Labs carnivals. They happen at different times, I'm finding out, but follow this link and go check them out. Lido Nation, you've heard a lot from Mr. Darlington today, but he's available on Twitter and lidonation.com. Excellent voting tool in presentation day, man. All right, and Cardano for Climate. This community meets frequently and still has a lot of active members. Hopefully going to get an update from them very soon and get some links to where they're actively meeting going into Fund 10. Cardano Catalyst Women, another cool group that was meeting frequently in Fund 9, and hopefully we'll spin back up here in Fund 10. And check out their website for events coming soon. We're hosting a little hackathon next week. Darlington and some Catalyst code dreamers, looking to uncover the solution to the community events problem and our ability to boost them more widely across our ecosystem. So join us at 7. Join us. I'll put the events in the chat. I'll put the details in the chat for that. It's happening this Saturday. Awesome. And with that, if you would like to host your own breakout room, please scan this code here or click this link and fill out the form. As long as you do that before 1700 UTC on Tuesdays, the day before the town hall you want a room in, you'll get that room. And if you have any issues or want some verification, go ahead, reach out and DM me. And yeah, if you would like to see these slide deck, which I already talked through a little bit, you can scan this QR code or click it here. It's an active live link that you can check. All right, let's get into the breakout rooms today. Whoa, a lot of them. We started off here with Salada Cafe, the Cardano Hispanic and Portuguese speaking communities here to host you. And then we got Dor, he's visiting. How can I be in support? Great to have you, Dor. DAOs Love Cardano, Challenge AMA, Newman and Harsha are here representing the DAOs Love Cardano Challenge, here to answer all your questions. What is risk and why do we need to manage it? Simon and Dada are here to talk about their project, so give them a listen. 30 minutes with the Catalyst Explorer. Darlington and Stephanie are taking feedback and answering questions for their tool. Catalyst over Coffee was a new event I see is being debuted in the After Town Hall. So Cardano over Coffee folks, Jenny and Alexa, are coming in to host a space not on Twitter. Welcome. And Atala Prism Fund 10 support and queries. Fayad is here to share and answer questions around Atala Prism. Let's roll all the way down here. We got Lloyd and Kyle here talking about proper problems you gonna have to write a problem statement if you're submitting any proposals in Fund 10. They're gonna talk about the nuance of that. That sounds awesome. Tips for writing Catalyst proposals. Logan's here. Yep, helping you out with where to start on proposals, which is starting is the hardest part, right? And last but not least, we got the IOG Catalyst team hosting a community review discussion to discuss any questions related to community reviews. I saw plenty in the chat, and I'm sure there will be even further clarity by our friends from IOG. And with that, welcome to the After Town Hall. Back to you, Danny.
That's right. Welcome to the After Town Hall. Thank you, Peter, for the great introduction.